Luma AI versus Sora. Which AI video tool wins? Choosing the right video tool can completely change how you create stunning content without the hassle of complex editing. Let's explore both options briefly. Luma AI and Sora are two powerful AI video tools designed to enhance your video production experience. The core difference lies in their unique features. Luma AI focuses on advanced visual effects, while Sora emphasizes seamless editing and collaboration. Luma AI is an innovative video creation tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to deliver stunning visual effects and enhancements. It works by analyzing your footage and applying sophisticated algorithms to enhance colors, stabilize images, and add dynamic elements. One of its key strengths is its ability to create professional-grade visuals with minimal user input, making it ideal for content creators who want to elevate their videos without spending hours in post-production. However, it may come with a learning curve for those unfamiliar with advanced video editing concepts. Luma AI is perfect for filmmakers, marketers, and social media influencers looking to make their content stand out with eye-catching visuals. Sora is a versatile AI video editing tool that streamlines the video production process. It allows users to easily edit and collaborate on projects with its intuitive interface and smart features. Sora works by integrating AI to automate tasks like cutting, trimming, and adding transitions, significantly reducing editing time. Its strengths lie in its user-friendly design and collaborative features, making it suitable for teams working on video projects. However, it may lack some of the advanced visual effects that Luma AI offers. Sora is ideal for content creators, educators, and businesses who prioritize efficient editing and teamwork over intricate visual effects. When comparing Luma AI and Sora, consider your specific needs. If your goal is to produce visually striking videos with advanced effects, Luma AI is the better choice. It excels in enhancing visuals and creating a polished final product. On the other hand, if you need a tool that simplifies the editing process and promotes collaboration, Sora stands out. For instance, a filmmaker might prefer Luma AI for its stunning effects, while a marketing team may lean towards Sora for its ease of use and teamwork capabilities. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you value visual impact or streamlined editing. For those focused on high-quality visuals and advanced effects, Luma AI is the recommended choice. If you prioritize ease of use and collaboration in your video editing, Sora is the tool for you. Whichever you choose, both Luma AI and Sora offer unique benefits that can elevate your video production experience.